Hello guys, JP here. Today I wanted to show you on how you can make use of TeamViewer Quicksupport on your iPhone 11 or iPad Pro. As most of you already know, Quicksupport can be downloaded for Windows operating system and start using it right away. This is a bit different on Apple products, and you need to make sure that you have accomplished a few steps before using it. The first things first, you need to go to your iPhone or iPad settings. Then scroll down until you find the control center. Open it and you customize the controls. You will find a list of buttons which you want to include to your control center. In our case, choose screen recording. Scroll up again and check if screen recording is included. You may skip this step if it was already there. Now head over to the App Store. Download TeamViewer Quicksupport. You may skip this step if you have already downloaded the app. Open the app and wait for it to display your ID. This is the ID that you will give to the one who would require to see your screen, such as an IT support. Once the contact person has typed in this number, you will receive a prompt asking you to allow remote support. Click Allow. Now you have 1 minute to activate screen sharing. Go to your control center, which is located here, and drag it down. You shall see a screen that looks like this. Hold down the screen share button. Select TeamViewer and start broadcasting. All done. Now your contact person is able to see your screen. In order to stop sharing, click on the red timer above. Click Stop to end the broadcast.